How to install and activate the Black Ice printer drivers. To start the installation, click on the installer that you downloaded from our website. If you don't have the latest printer driver installer, you can download it from www.blackice.com under the Downloads menu. On the Install Shield Wizard welcome screen, click on Next to continue. Accept the terms of the license agreement, then click on Next. Choose the destination location of the printer driver. Click on the Browse button to change the location, or click on the Next button to start installing the files. If you plan to convert a large number of documents in parallel, you can add extra printers or ports to the printer driver. Multiple printers and ports can greatly reduce the time of parallel printing but requires multiple CPU cores. Click Next to continue. Choose the Output folder, where the printed documents will be saved, or change other post-printing options. Click Next to continue. Configure the printer driver settings. In most cases, the default document conversion setup is recommended, although you can click on Custom Config to customize all the printer driver settings. The settings made on this screen can be changed later. Click Next to continue. Uncheck the tabs and features you would like to be hidden or turned off for all users. Hiding features and tabs can be useful if you plan to use only a specific feature of the printer driver. Click Next to continue. You can add extra agent printers to the printer driver. Agent printers are copies of the printer driver, configured for specific tasks, such as different output file formats. You can also add agent printers later. Click Next to continue. Choose the newly installed printer driver to be the default printer for each printing, or keep the current default printer. Click Next to continue. The installation is complete. Click on the Finish button to close the installation and start the Printer Manager utility. If you would like to purchase a printer driver license, click on the Purchase button, or if you already have a serial number, click on Activate button. Enter the serial number, and click on the OK button to activate the full version of the printer driver. Now that the Printer Manager is installed and activated, let's open a document and print it. To do this, all you have to do is open the document, then print it, just like you print to a physical printer, but this time, select the Black Ice printer driver. Choose where to save the document, specify the name for the document, or change the file type. You can also set up several other features, such as append to an existing file, send the printed document in email, or add a watermark to every page. If you wish to save the files automatically, tick the Do Not Show This window again. Click on the Save button to print and save, and once the printing is finished, the Output folder will be automatically opened with the document. That's how you install, activate and use the Black Ice printer drivers. Thank you for watching the video. You can also find more useful videos on www.blackice.com.